200 miles inside the Arctic Circle, in the sacred ancestral lands of the Sami reindeer hunters.
It's time to go, 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 go.
My trap failed, but they've allowed me one animal from their wild herd. To show you just what a difference this beast can make to survival up here.
Damn it. Here's one that's been secured. Right on the ankle, but also want to secure this antler, this primary weapon. As long as you control the head, you control the beast. Okay, I've dispatched it quickly.
A knife straight between the ears, and the animal is instantly brain dead. Any movement now is just reflex.
And that blood is drunk by indigenous people all around the world.
In these freezing temperatures, it doesn't get any better than this. It's warm and full of protein.
And survival food is really pretty, but that is life-giving.
It's minus 20 degrees on this exposed plain. I need to get it gutted and skinned before it freezes solid.
The nicest thing about this is just that feeling of warmth in its body. And that is the warmest that my fingers have been all day. Whew, that's nice. You get right into its chest cavity just to get the heart. There you go. And look at the size of that for a heart. Whew. But actually, you know, the Eskimos will often eat raw meat. It literally means Eskimo eater of raw meat. And they'll eat it on the go as a way of keeping warm. So that's fine to eat just like that. At least it's warm.
In this environment, the hide could be a lifesaver. The hairs are hollow, and this fur is a perfect natural insulator against the cold.
Look, see if I pull a clump of this out. See just how thick it is. You know, but this beast has to survive Arctic temperatures in the winter down to minus 50 degrees, and that's how it does it.
There's over 100,000 calories in this meat, enough to keep you alive for 2 weeks, and I'm not leaving it behind.
And this is just going to be really rough and ready and makeshift, just a frame to carry this carcass on. It's a typical North American way they used to carry their teepees.
Birch branches lashed together with the cord from my traps form the frame. A section of fur will act as a yoke.
No doubt this is going to be quite hard work. But when you've got a kill like this, you know, you really don't want to leave much of it behind.
The frame is taking the weight of the carcass, but dragging it through this deep snow is a real effort.